Hi, I'm Margaret Neff with RE/MAX First, and I want to welcome you to 817 Auburn Bay Boulevard. This beautiful bungalow has 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and a beautiful yard, open concept, wonderful for entertaining. As you can see, I'd like you to take a look around and enjoy this property.